Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Niharika and in today's recipe video, we will see how to make Soya Keema bread samosas. These mini samosas are great to snack on and also make a perfect party starter. So let's get started. First, we will make the keema. For this, you will need to boil and strain the soya chunks. As given in the instructions on the packet, I am using 3 cups of water for 1 cup of soya. Now boil this for 10 minutes and then rinse them with cold water. Then squeeze out the excess water and mince it using a grinder mixer. Now take this minced mixture out in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt and half a cup of curd or a regular dahi. Now mix all this well together and keep it aside. This quantity will make about 30 to 35 of mini samosas. Now take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter, add 1 teaspoon of oil, then add 2 teaspoon of jeera or cumin, 1 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of curry leaves and fry them till it starts to pop. Then we will add 1 cup of roughly chopped onion. Now fry the onion till they become translucent. One cup of roughly chopped tomato, now mix everything well together, add some salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix them well together and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Till this gets cooked, let us make a tomato paste. For this, you will need 1 tomato and 2 to 3 pods of garlic. Now blend this to a paste and then add it to the pan. Now let this cook for about 2 minutes and then we will add half a cup of boiled green peas. To this, add the soya keema mix and mix everything well together. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Now give it a final mix, cover this with a lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Lastly, add some coriander leaves for garnishing and keep this aside. You can serve this as it is with any kind of bread, rotis or even rice. To make the samosas, we need 12 to 15 bread slices. Now we will flatten the bread slices using a rolling pin. Then we will cut off the sides one by one. Now slit it diagonally and then cut off all the edges. Now take some water and apply it to one side of the bread and then fold it as shown. This will create a pocket in which we will insert the keema. Now seal the edges and your samosa is ready to fry. Now take some oil and fry these mini samosas till they are golden brown in color. Your soya keema samosas are ready to serve. Serve them hot with some green chutney and enjoy. They have turned out so crisp from the outside and soft on the inside. So if you guys like my recipes and my new creations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this with your family and friends, press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a video. And for daily updates, follow me on Instagram.